Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through how to fix payments pending on Coinbase. Now, if your payment on Coinbase is pending, here's the simplest way to address it. 1. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. 2. Verify payment method. Make sure it is correctly linked and verified on your Coinbase account. You can check this in your profile setting under payment method. If it's not verified, follow the steps to complete the verification process. Next, confirm that you have sufficient funds in your selected payment method to cover the transaction amount. Then check the Coinbase status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that might be affecting payment processing times. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency transaction, if you are sending or receiving it, the transaction might be pending due to the time it takes for the blockchain network to confirm the transaction. This can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. You can usually view the transaction status and the number of confirmation in your Coinbase transaction history. For some pending transactions, especially crypto sends, Coinbase may allow you to cancel the payment and try again. This option is usually available on the web browser version of Coinbase by selecting the pending transaction. Note that it might not be available for all types of pending payments or on the mobile app. The payment remains pending for an extended period that is longer than a few hours for fiat payments or significantly longer than usual for crypto transactions, or if you suspect it's another issue, the best step is to contact Coinbase support directly through their help center. Now, let me give you some general information about pending payments on Coinbase. New payment methods often require verification period, which can cause initial transactions to be pending. Bank processing times. You see, bank transfers, assisted process and withdrawals can take 1 to 5 business days to clear, during which time the transaction might show as pending. High network value. During periods of high trading activity, cryptocurrency network congestion can lead to longer pending times for crypto transaction. Coinbase may conduct security checks on certain transactions, which can temporarily result in a pending status. Ensure payment details, e.g., recipient address for crypto, were entered correctly, and because incorrect details can cause delays or failure of the transaction. Hope you found these instructions